sit here and draw a basketball.
Yeah, when it's closed up, it'll look like a basketball, but then when you open it, it'll be exploding and basketball stuff will be inside. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're actually going to fold our paper first, so let's put our marker off to the side. We're going to take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and crease it down the middle. This is a lot like the football one we did last week. So if you remember the steps on how to fold your paper, you can just skip this part. But we're going to take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and crease it down. And then, yes, flip over our paper. Then we're going to repeat that step. We're going to take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and crease it down. And then this last fold is just a guide fold. So we're going to open it up and flatten that fold out and then flip over our paper. So it should open like this when we're all done. We have a scratch piece of paper we're going to put underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table because we're drawing with markers. Let's draw our basketball. We're going to draw a big circle and half of the basketball will be above the fold and the other half below the fold. I'm going to start up here in the middle of my paper, but towards the top, and we're going to try to draw a circle. It's okay if it's bumpy. We're going to draw it over the fold, then we're going to come back up and connect to where we started. It's kind of tricky drawing a circle, especially over the fold. Oh, you did such a great job. I love your circle. Okay, now we're ready to draw the lines or the seams on our basketball. Let's first draw a horizontal line above the fold. We're going to go straight across, and I'm going to draw it on top or above the fold, like that. Yes. Then let's draw a curve. Starting in the middle like this, we're going to come down, and then we're going to curve back to the middle. Yeah, and then we're going to curve back. Good job. Then we're going to draw the other seam. On the other side, we're going to start here. We're going to draw it coming this way and then back. So it's curving the other direction. Then we're going to draw the last seam over here. We're going to draw a big curve that comes all the way over like this and then back. Now this seam, see, when it crosses over the middle part, these two spaces should be pretty close to the same. Yes, good job. We did it. We finished drawing our basketball. Now we're ready to open up our paper and we're going to flatten out the folds so that it's easier to draw on. Now we're going to draw the exploding part of our basketball. We're going to extend this part or this line out to the left and also out to the right. Then we're going to draw a zigzag that connects the left side over to the right side. And some of these zigzags are small and some are big. And we're going to change or vary the zigzags to make it look more natural, like it exploded. Okay, let's also extend the seams down into the exploded part. And let's do the same thing on the left and also over here on the right. Then we're going to explode the bottom part too. We're going to extend the left side and also extend the right side. And then we're going to draw a zigzag line that connects these two together. And we can draw some of these zigzags big and some of them small until we get all the way over to the other side. Then let's extend the seam up in the middle and also on the left and the right. We did it. There's our basketball exploding. It looks pretty cool. Now this next part, you can change any way you want. You could add different things than what we're going to add. Let's first draw an explosion in the middle. We're going to draw a big starburst. And you can watch me. I'm going to draw more zigzags, just like we did for the basketball. I'm going to draw in an oval shape inside of the basketball. We came all the way around to where we started. Now I tried to draw this really big so that we can add something inside of it also. This is a lot like our football lesson, which I really like. That's one of my new favorite lessons. This is also going to be one of my new favorite lessons. Good job. Now let's draw some cool basketball stuff. Let's draw a backboard and also the hoop. We're going to draw a square or rectangle shape over here on the left, and I'm also drawing it kind of diagonal. So we got this kind of shape like this, and I'm going to go behind the explosion or the starburst. It's a little corner of it. You could draw this smaller so that you're not overlapping if you want. Nice. Now let's also draw another smaller square inside. And then let's also draw the hoop. I'm going to draw an oval shape. And then let's draw the net. We're going to draw two diagonal lines coming down. And they get closer towards the bottom. I'm going to also connect these at the very bottom. And then we're going to draw zigzag lines going down this way. And then let's draw zigzag lines going the other way. Cool. Now let's draw a medal over here. Maybe this is for the Olympics. Sometimes you get medals, sometimes you get trophies. Yeah. I'm going to draw a circle. I could also add number 1 in here. I'm going to draw the number and then, yes, the 1. Okay, let's also draw the ribbon. I'm going to draw a line that curves around like this and then back where we started. And then let's draw another one inside to make the ribbon or the neck part thicker. Cool. Okay, now let's add a basketball shoe over here in the top right. I'm going to draw the back of the shoe coming down. Then we can draw the front of the shoe. I'm going to come down. That kind of matches this side, but then we're going to curve out for the toes. And then let's draw a short line down. And then we'll draw the bottom of the shoe connecting. Then let's also draw the top of the shoe. And we can extend a little upside down U for the tongue. Cool. Let's also draw designs on our shoe. I'm going to draw a zigzag line and then go forward. We could also add more designs. I'm going to draw a curve that comes around like this and then to the front. Then let's draw a line that matches the top of the shoe. And we can also add little lines going this way for the shoelaces. That's a simple way to draw a basketball shoe. I love yours. Okay, now let's also add a water bottle. I'm going to draw a square U shape. And then we can connect the top. I'm going to draw another line right here. And then let's draw a smaller rectangle shape on top with an extra line in the middle. Let's also add a design to our water bottle. I'm going to draw a zigzag line. Maybe this will look like a lightning bolt. I'm going to draw another zigzag line right below it. And then we can connect the two. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing our basketball. It looks really cool, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video to match our same coloring.
Or you can color it any way you want.
Yes, you ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our basketballs and they turned out awesome. But let's show our friends the inside. Are you ready?
Yeah.
On the count of 3, let's open it. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Oh.
I love how it looks all colored in, especially yours, Austin. You did it such a great job. We also added a number 1 to the explosion, but you could add whatever you want. You could add a trophy, or you could draw a picture of your favorite basketball player, or even your favorite team. When you add extra things to your drawing, you just want to make sure that you draw it below this top fold and above the bottom fold. That way when it's folded up like this, it's completely hidden.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your basketball.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and I'm sure your drawings turned out really cool. I hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add even more things to the inside. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.